Pakistan Army has expressed profound concern over the ongoing human rights violations in occupied Kashmir, reiterating its firm support to the Kashmiri people's struggle for right to self-determination. A statement issued by the Inter-Services Public Relations condemned the recent unprovoked ceasefire violations by the Indian Army along the line of control. Indian military operation in the different areas of the Kathua district has now entered the 14th day. The Indian forces personnel have so far arrested over 24 people, including a woman and 2 teenager girls, during the ongoing cordon and search operations and raids in the district. BJP-led Indian government has ruled out any possibility of reconsidering its advisory prohibiting the Indian nationals and the overseas citizens of India with the medical degrees from Pakistan from seeking employment or the higher education in the India. The statement was made in response to a question raised by the Agharullah Mehdi, a member of the parliament from the occupied Kashmir in the Lok Sabha. Massive protests erupted in the Doda district after blasphemous content was uploaded on the social media by a Hindutva activist. Large-scale demonstrations took place in the district Bhadarwa area and the Doda city. The protesters stated that a local official of a Hindutva organization had uploaded offensive content that disrespected the Holy Quran. Muttahida Majlis-e-Ulama headed by the Mirwais Umar Farooq has expressed deep concern over the passing of the Waqf Amendment Bill by the Indian Parliament. The MMU, the largest representative forum of the ulamas, imams and the religious organizations in occupied Kashmir, in a statement stated that the Waqf has historically played a vital role in serving the socio-religious needs of the Muslim community and is crucial for its sustenance. Prominent pro-freedom leader Ghulam Muhammad Naiko passed away after a brief illness in the Srinagar. Ghulam Muhammad Naiko was originally from the Silu area of the Sopore and had been residing in the Bhimna area of Srinagar in the recent years.